This is 413 Australia Oceania Channel for Sunday the 16th of February. Bureau Meteorology has a severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall, damaging winds. At this point in time, it's current for the central tablelands, northern tablelands, parts in the northern rivers, mid-north coast, the Hunter, northwest slopes and plains, central west slopes and plains forecast districts. Gusty storms with heavy bursts of rainfall for inland New South Wales and inland trough combined with a moist air mass over central and eastern New South Wales will combine to bring thunderstorms to large parts of the state today. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding, damaging winds in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations under the warning that could be affected: Armadale, Orange, Tamworth, Narrabri, Dubbo and Parks. And I actually have a family member en route from Melbourne to Brisbane, stopping over at Dubbo, and he is now under that warning. And Bureau Meteorology here in Queensland continues to update the flood information. And prior to the storm probability, precipitation from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow. Major flood warning for the Georgina River and moderate flood warning for the Eyre Creek here in Queensland. Now, instability, and this is a developing picture. Major flood warning has been issued for the lower Condamine River, the upper Balonne. Minor flood warning for the Charleys Creek and lower Balonne River. It was updated at about 5 minutes before midday today. And what's going on in the capital cities? 25.8 at Preston in Sydney, 24.9 nearly 25 in Melbourne, 31.7 Brisbane, 24.8 Melbourne, Adelaide 24.8, Hobart 16.8, Canberra 24.6, Darwin 31.8. Here's the Bureau's total forecast of rain, and the rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and look at that area in green through to the pink. The GFS accumulated precipitation. Again, the information's at the bottom of the scale. Possible shower in Sydney, humid, partly cloudy Melbourne, partly cloudy Brisbane, cloud clearing in Perth, mostly sunny in Adelaide, partly cloudy Hobart, possible shower in Canberra, partly cloudy in Darwin. And here's a look at a possible developing scene. It's the Bureau's Brisbane radar. And following on to our earlier update on the tropical scene, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has corrected their information. They have Invest 93P near 12.3 degrees south, 177.8 degrees east. It's about 692 nautical miles west of Pago, American Samoa. Animated enhanced infrared imagery and a 89 gigahertz satellite image depict a extremely large elongated area of disorganized or but persistent convection without a clear circulation centre. The system is a result of a complex dynamic environment with converging winds from the monsoon trough extending from the Coral Sea to Samoa. The South Pacific Convergence Zone south of Fiji and the interacting with westerly wind bursts associated with an active Madame Julian oscillation MJO to the north near the equator. This system is not a tropical cyclone and is assessed as a hybrid tropical system. 93P exists in a favourable environment for development with low to moderate 10 to 20 knot vertical wind shear, good equatorial and polar outflow, warm 29-30 Celsius. Sea surface temperatures, global models all agree 93P will generate significant storm force winds, heavy precipitation especially along the northern convergent periphery. The leading edge to this convergent line will approach and impact American Samoa within the next 24 hours. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 25 to 30 knots. Minimum sea level pressure estimated to be near the 1000 millibar level. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours goes from medium to high. NFS 93P is currently located, updated location, 12.7 degrees south, 179.7 degrees east. Maximum winds at 30 knots and minimum central pressure is 999 millibars. Here's a look at various tracks. And invest a 96p, 11.8 degrees south, 160.4 degrees east. Maximum winds 20 knots, minimum central pressure 1006 millibars. BI Meteorology is keeping an eye on Invest 96p, and they have it in the northeastern Coral Sea, but expected to track out of the area responsibility. And the Bureau of Meteorology New South Wales continues to update the severe thunderstorm warning for damaging winds, large hailstones for the central tablelands, northern tablelands, parts of the northern rivers, mid-north coast, the Hunter, northwest, central west, southwest slopes and plains, including the Snowy Mountains and the ACT forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms likely produce heavy rainfall that may lead to flash flooding, damaging winds, large hailstones in the warning area over the next several hours. Armidale, Orange, Tamworth, Narrabri, Dubbo and Parks areas likely to be affected. 42 millimetres of rainfall was recorded at Coonabarabran Airport in 30 minutes to 2 p.m. And I think the parks area is encountering a bit of a dust storm.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force 13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force 13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.